This Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker brings the renowned Keurig quality to your kitchen at an affordable price point. Designed to make your coffee brewing experience seamless and enjoyable, this coffee maker is ideal for anyone who loves a quick cup of fresh coffee without compromising on flavor. Its sleek design, combined with essential features like the strong button and a 42-ounce removable water reservoir, ensures that your morning coffee ritual is not just convenient but also flavorful. Why the Keurig K-Express stands out among coffee makers. The Keurig K-Express is more than just an average coffee maker. It is designed to cater to various coffee preferences and lifestyles. Here's why you should consider adding this coffee maker to your kitchen counter. 1. Effortless brewing for a busy lifestyle. Whether you're rushing to work or just need a quick coffee fix, the Keurig K-Express makes brewing effortless. With its one-touch controls, you can brew an 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup of coffee in just minutes. No need to wait around. The back-to-back brewing capability allows you to brew consecutive cups without the wait time for reheating. The ease of use makes this machine perfect for busy individuals who need a fast and fresh cup of coffee to kickstart their day. 2. Bold coffee flavor at the touch of a button. Do you prefer a stronger, richer coffee flavor? The strong button feature on the Keurig K-Express intensifies the taste of your coffee, delivering a bolder cup when you need that extra kick. This feature gives you control over your coffee's strength, allowing you to tailor your brewing experience to match your taste preferences. It's perfect for those days when a regular cup of coffee just won't cut it. 3. Larger water reservoir for convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of constant refilling. The 42-ounce removable water reservoir provides enough capacity to brew up to 4 8-ounce cups before needing a refill. This makes it convenient for households with multiple coffee drinkers or anyone who enjoys several cups throughout the day. The reservoir is easy to remove and refill, allowing you to keep the coffee flowing without interruption. 4. Versatile brewing options. The Keurig K-Express is compatible with the full range of K-Cup pods, giving you access to hundreds of coffee brands and flavors. From bold espresso to smooth light roasts and even teas and hot cocoa, there's a K-Cup pod for every taste. For those who prefer using their own ground coffee, the machine is also compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter, sold separately, allowing for a more customized brewing experience. Travel mug friendly. Do you enjoy taking your coffee on the go? The Keurig K-Express is designed to accommodate travel mugs up to 7.4 inches tall, thanks to its removable drip tray. This feature ensures that you can brew directly into your travel mug, saving you time and effort in the mornings. 6. Energy-efficient design. The auto-off feature automatically turns off the coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping you save energy and reducing your electricity bill. This environmentally conscious design makes the Keurig K-Express not only a convenient choice, but also a responsible one. Pros and cons of the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Pros: user-friendly one-touch operation for quick and easy brewing. Strong button for a more intense coffee flavor. Multiple cup sizes, 8, 10, and 12 ounce to suit different preferences. 42 ounce removable reservoir for fewer refills and greater convenience. Compact design fits easily into small spaces. Energy-efficient auto-off feature helps save electricity. Compatible with both K-Cup pods and reusable My K-Cup filter. Cons: no temperature control. The machine does not allow you to adjust the brewing temperature. Basic design lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as a milk frother. Plastic build. The construction is predominantly plastic, which may not be as durable as some metal models. Who should buy the Keurig K-Express? The Keurig K-Express is perfect for busy professionals who need a quick and hassle-free coffee solution. Small households or dorm rooms where space is limited. People who prefer a variety of flavors and brewing options, including tea and hot chocolate. Coffee enthusiasts who enjoy the option to brew stronger coffee with the strong button. Travelers who want a coffee machine that fits their travel mugs. If you're someone who values quick brewing, bold flavor, and convenience, this coffee maker is an excellent choice. With the Keurig K-Express, you get the quality of America's number one single-serve coffee maker brand, packaged in a compact design that won't break the bank. Why the Keurig K-Express is a great value? The Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker is a great addition to any kitchen, offering the convenience of single-serve brewing with essential features that enhance your coffee experience. Its affordable price, combined with the quality and versatility that Keurig is known for, makes it a great value for coffee lovers who want a reliable and easy-to-use machine. Whether you're brewing a quick morning coffee, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a cozy cup of hot cocoa, the Keurig K-Express is equipped to handle it all. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.